morning after, the night, the defeat, the pain of before, the Republic of Ireland's World Cup dreams are over. I'm David Sneyd. I've obviously been out here in Prague with my colleague Gavin Cooney, covering events for the Journal and the 42.ie. Myself and Gav have just recorded our post-match video podcast, which will be up on the website over the next couple of hours. There's just a lot of sense of disappointment, not so much of anger. Obviously, the fact that Ireland had control of the game with a 2-0 lead, and then seemed to have a bit of control in the penalty shootout before ultimately seeing those hopes dashed. It's been mixed feelings in Prague over the last few days. The atmosphere has been incredible. Everyone's seen the videos from out here. Obviously at home, there has been that sense of maybe a connection being rekindled between the public and this team. Unfortunately, it hasn't been able to materialise into a playoff final in Dublin on Tuesday, but as the players have said, as the manager has said, they'll try and come back stronger, and the hope will be that over the next couple of years we will see this Ireland team continue to develop and blossom and hopefully achieve some of the success that everyone is hoping for. So I hope you've enjoyed the coverage over the last few days. There'll be more to come in the coming days as well. Until then, take care.